Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Snapchat keeps stopping. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on the application of Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat, and we click here. Then this list of app info, we click on the first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.